In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pet fee on Booking.com. By the end, you'll have a clear guest-facing pet policy with the correct fee automatically shown during booking, keeping expectations transparent and reducing manual adjustments at check-in. We'll work inside your Booking.com extranet. From your main dashboard, start by clicking Property. This opens the area where you manage rules, amenities, and charges that apply to your listing. Next, click Policies. The policies page controls what guests see about check-in, children, and, most importantly for us, pets. Scroll to the Pets section. Here's where you define whether you accept animals and how fees are handled. Select Pets Allowed. This tells guests your place is pet-friendly and unlocks options for whether there's a charge. Right below that, choose Charges May Apply. Selecting this makes it clear that pets are welcome, but not for free, and it enables the fee setup so the cost is shown to guests up front. Now click Add Fee. A configuration panel will open. From the list, select Pet Fee. Choosing the correct fee type ensures it appears with the right label on your listing and in your reports, so there's no confusion with other charges. Enter the amount for your pet fee. The currency matches your property's currency on Booking.com. Think about what the fee needs to cover: extra cleaning, wear and tear, or supplies, and keep it simple. Round figures are often easier for guests to understand at a glance. Next, choose how the fee should apply: per stay, per night, or per pet. Per stay adds a single fee for the whole reservation, no matter how many nights or pets. It's straightforward and minimizes surprises. Per night multiplies the fee by the number of nights, which can make sense if cleaning or wear scales with length of stay. Per pet charges for each animal, which is helpful if 2 or 3 pets add noticeably more work than one. Pick the option that best reflects your costs and keeps your policy fair and consistent. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see the pet fee listed under the Pets section, and your policies will update accordingly. It can take a short time for changes to reflect on the guest-facing page, but they'll appear in your policy summary. As a best practice, keep your house rules and description consistent with this fee. And if you have size or breed restrictions, state them clearly in your property content so guests know before they book. That's it. Your pet fee is now set up on Booking.com and ready to go.